Hiya, Pulse! And welcome back to another epic Try Not to Laugh on Awesome Kids TV. This is Sound Affecting My Mom edition. And today we're trying not to laugh to Sound Affecting My Mom, parentheses, full compilation, made by Pete Montzingo. Like a Singo from Ben 10. But anyway, let's try not to laugh. Mishka, Mushka, Mickey Mouse. Every chance I have to say episode mythical, and I lost one of them. It was Catalyst. Dang it. I lost another one. That was 6, and now it's 4. Dang it, I'm losing all of them. Oh! Dang it, I lost all my chances, guys. My sister Kira's gonna do this to me one of these days. She's gonna do this to me one of these days. I flip and swear, guys. Maybe Pip and her friends will do this to me. I don't know. What? His mom is all like, what are you doing? I lost all 6 of my chances not to laugh. I just want to watch the whole video. Oh, this is my favorite. I heard that exact trombone sound effect on Fail Time, actually. Go and check them out if you haven't checked them out already. I'll put the link in the description. How's he doing the water sound effect on the trombone? How's it? Horror film edition. This is my favorite. Oh, that's when the mom is like, what was that about? There's the toilet coming out of me. No. Stop it! Oh gosh! I'm laughing like crazy! Oh, my own video! I can't take it! The horror movie edition! Just one more! One more! Did you see the look on his face when he does that? Oh my gosh. His face when he does that. He was smiling when he was doing that. I swear. Told ya. Horror film edition. Had me laughing. Tears are coming out of my eyes. Tears of joy are coming out of me, guys. I'm leaking. I'm gonna... Yeah, you better watch it. I'm gonna explode. Ah. Still! Among Us Edition! I love Among Us! I love Among Us! I haven't played that game in a while. Disney Edition. After this. Guys, I'm not kidding. Goodbye. If I become a professional trombone player, I will definitely do that to Kira. And she would be like, seriously? Stop it! Oh my gosh. Holiday edition. I love the holiday season, don't you? Oh my gosh. Stop it! Pete's mom reminds me of like Miranda Sings. You know Miranda Sings? She kind of speaks like her. Oh no! Ah! Deleted scenes.
Oh no, don't do this. Please, please, not today. No.
The dog is just minding its own business. I can't stop leaking. I won't stop leaking. We are having a private conversation here. Reverse! Reverse revenge!
Oh my god, seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
So you bought a guitar and you hung it on your wall.
Alright, that was Try Not to Laugh. Sound affecting my mom edition. I hope you guys have all enjoyed, and we'll see you in our next video. Oh, toodles!